Welcome back. Well, Christmas cake is one of the most common festive foods, but if you're not a fan of the traditional version, these fruity desserts are the perfect recipe to try instead.
Look extraordinary, and to show us how is the healthy chef, Teresa Cutter. Teresa, yum, everything smells delicious, looks delicious, beautiful. Let's start with your carrot cake.
Thanks, guys. Yeah, beautiful. I've got a lovely carrot cake here. It's so easy, so healthy and delicious. There's half a kilo of carrots in this cake. It is amazing. So I've got half a kilo of carrots.
About how many carrots is that?
Oh, it's around 4.
Right.
4 carrots, 4 large carrots. Now you've got walnuts and you've got some dates in here, but you can basically use whatever fruit or nut you have in the fridge. And you've got 4 organic eggs. Nice and easy to throw it all inside sort of cake. You've got half a cup of extra virgin olive oil, so I'm putting that in there too. You can also use a macadamia nut oil if you want something a little bit more savoury, and a little bit of vanilla. And now a little bit of spice.
So
I've got some cinnamon.
No blenders, nothing like that. It's just an easy mix. Even I could, you could.
Anyone could do it. You know, a little bit of cinnamon, just a little bit of baking powder so it rises.
Yep.
And you mix it all in, just to mix in the wet ingredients. And then instead of flour, I'm just using a lovely almond meal here.
Yeah.
It's lovely, it keeps the cake moist, it's gluten-free, high in vitamin E.
Yep.
So you get that in here as well. And you give it a bit of a mix until it forms a lovely little
You
bag.
know a confident cook by someone that can just put the vanilla essence in that much, and it's right without it going in, swearing,
you know what?
claiming that somebody else, knocked you.
Oh, I love my vanilla. I don't, I overdo it anyway.
Okay, so it doesn't matter if you put too much.
If it says a tablespoon or a teaspoon, I just double it normally because it tastes so good.
This is a nice alternative to the old plum pudding that my mum makes and hangs in the bath and it boils for...
Yeah, my grandma used to do that. Yeah, what you're complaining about more is pudding now.
She doesn't watch. That's right.
Now, another little thing I want to show you guys is how to line about at the bottom of a cake tin. A lot of people are baking cakes, they don't really know. They've got a round 20-centimetre cake tin. So I've just made a little triangle here, just from baking paper, and just keep folding in the triangles like that until...
Well, this is a great tip.
Yeah, until you get smaller, 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 until it reaches like a little paper plane.
Yes.
Yep.
You know, and then you just go, oh, this is good. So about
chop it off
until the middle, and then you go, oh,
that is amazing.
I reckon I've tried to, run the scissors around it. Yeah, that's the way to do it.
It'll bring you undone otherwise. Okay.
Unbelievable.
And now, then obviously you're just popping it in, cooking.
Popping it in, cooking. Now this bakes in an oven, 160 degrees for around about 45 minutes, and it comes out looking like this magnificent piece of cake. So I've even made a beautiful yogurt frosting. Now, a lot of people find it hard. It's made with a labna. So a labna is basically strained Greek yogurt. It's pretty simple. Right. It's expensive to buy, but super cheap to make. So you get yourself one of these, put it in a strainer overnight, and you get this beautiful, thick...
I'll cut this one while we get moving.
Yeah, let's have a taste of that.
So this one's got fig on top, and what are these seeds here?
I've got some pumpkin seeds, but you can use pistachio nuts and all that sort of stuff as well. Pistachio nuts. You can even decorate the top. I've got some figs here, but I've actually garnished the top with some grapes here as well, which is fantastic, and some rosemary. So just a nice, be lavish with the yogurt frosting. I've just mixed that with some maple.
Frosting.
Yeah, big bit. Healthy frosting.
Healthy frosting. Isn't it delicious? Yeah, it's so yummy.
Beautiful.
And it's so super moist. Keep it in the fridge for around about a week.
Not the pantry?
No, not the pantry.
Yum. Teresa, as always, absolutely delicious. We're going to put all of the recipes for all of the cakes on our website.
Oh, okay.
Thank you. That looks delicious.
Thanks, guys.
Yeah, and for more great ideas, you can check out Teresa's book, Simple Healthy Recipes. It is out now. We're going to be back in just a moment. See all the icing?
Keep going. I think